Welcome back to the channel Coin Explorer. Today we explore the fascinating top 2. First up, 1878 United States Indian Head 1 cent, a classic American coin that reflects the history, artistry, and everyday life of late 19th century America. Struck at the Philadelphia Mint, and now highly valued in NGC Mint State, MS. Condition: this coin is a timeless symbol of U.S. heritage and numismatic excellence. Let's discover what makes this historic 1 cent coin so special. The 1878 1 cent, 1C Indian Head cent, is an important and historically rich coin in United States numismatic history. This coin was minted during a time when America was rapidly industrializing after the Civil War, and the nation's economy was becoming more stable. The Indian Head cent series, designed by James Barton Longenecker, chief engraver of the United States Mint, had already been in circulation for nearly 2 decades by 1878. Although commonly called the Indian Head, the obverse actually depicts Lady Liberty wearing a Native American-style feathered headdress, symbolizing unity, strength, and the American spirit rather than a real Native American portrait. The obverse design of the 1878 Indian Head cent shows Liberty facing left, with the word Liberty engraved on the headband of the headdress. 13 stars surround the portrait, representing the original 13 colonies, while the date 1878 appears at the bottom. The reverse design features an oak wreath tied with a ribbon, enclosing the denomination 1 cent, with a small shield at the top symbolizing national unity and protection. By 1878, this reverse design with the shield had been standard for Indian Head cents for nearly 20 years, making it a familiar and trusted coin in everyday American commerce. The 1878 Indian Head cent was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, which was the only U.S. mint producing 1 cent coins at that time, so no mint mark appears on the coin. The total mintage for this year was approximately 5.7 million coins, which was relatively moderate compared to earlier years of the series. Despite this mintage, high-grade examples are much scarcer today because these coins were heavily used in circulation. Most surviving pieces show significant wear, making Mint State, MS, examples especially desirable to collectors. In Mint State, MS, condition, the 1878 1C becomes a premium collectible. Coins graded MS by NGC Numismatic Guarantee Company show no wear from circulation and retain much of their original mint luster. The quality of strike, surface preservation, and color red-brown or brown plays a major role in value. Full red examples are extremely rare for this date because copper coins naturally tone and darken over time. As a result, an 1878 1C MS Red graded by NGC can command a significantly higher price than brown or red-brown examples. From a historical perspective, the 1878 Indian Head cent reflects a period of confidence and expansion in American society. It circulated during an era when railroads were expanding westward, industries were booming, and the U.S. was emerging as a global economic power. Everyday Americans used this coin for small purchases, making it a true witness to daily life in the late 19th century. Each surviving example carries the story of commerce, growth, and national identity during the post-Civil War era. Today, the 1878 1C MS Indian Head cent listed in the NGC Coin Explorer is appreciated not only for its monetary value, but also for its artistic beauty and historical significance. Collectors value this coin as a key representation of classic U.S. copper coinage. Its elegant design, connection to American heritage, and scarcity in high grades make it a respected and sought-after piece in both beginner and advanced numismatic collections. For anyone interested in early American coins, the 1878 Indian Head cent stands as a timeless symbol of U.S. history and craftsmanship. Next up, the 1894 Indian Head penny is one of the final issues of the famous Indian Head cent series, which was produced by the United States Mint from 1859 to 1909. By 1894, the Indian head cent had already been in circulation for more than 3 decades and had become a familiar part of everyday American commerce. This coin was minted during a period of economic recovery following the Panic of 1893, a severe financial crisis that affected coin production and demand. As a result, the 1894 Indian head penny holds special historical significance, representing a transitional time in late 19th century America. The obverse front of the 1894 Indian head penny features the iconic portrait designed by James Barton Longacre, the chief engraver of the U.S. Mint. The design shows Lady Liberty wearing a Native American-style feathered headdress, with the word Liberty inscribed on the headband. Although commonly called an Indian head, the figure is actually Liberty, symbolizing freedom and national identity. 13 stars surround the portrait, representing the original 13 American colonies, while the date 1894 appears at the bottom. By this time, the dies were well refined, and many 1894 cents show strong details when well preserved. The reverse back of the coin displays a laurel wreath tied with a ribbon, encircling the denomination 1 cent. Above the wreath is the national motto, United States of America. The reverse design used in 1894 is the copper-nickel-free bronze composition introduced in 1864, consisting of 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc. This composition gives the coin its classic reddish-brown color, which collectors carefully evaluate when determining value. Original red examples are especially rare and highly desirable. The 1894 Indian head penny was struck only at the Philadelphia Mint, as no branch mints produced cents that year. The total mintage was approximately 16,749,500 coins, which is moderate compared to earlier dates, but still sufficient for many examples to survive today. However, most surviving coins are found in worn, circulated condition, as they were heavily used in everyday transactions. High-grade examples, especially those with full detail and original color, are significantly scarcer and command much higher prices. In terms of value, the 1894 Indian head penny can range widely depending on condition. In good G4 condition, the coin typically sells for around $3 to $6, making it affordable for beginner collectors. In fine F12 condition, values generally rise to $10.20, while extremely fine EF40 examples can be worth $40.70. In uncirculated, MS60 to MS63 condition, prices often exceed $150 to $300, depending on eye appeal. Coins graded mint state red, MSRD, by professional grading services such as PCGS or NGC can sell for $800 to several $1,000s, especially in higher grades like MS65 or better. Collectors also pay close attention to surface quality, strike sharpness, and color when evaluating an 1894 Indian head penny. Coins are classified as red RD, red-brown RB, or brown BN, based on how much original copper color remains. Fully red examples are extremely rare after more than 130 years and are often found only in old collections or hoards. Any signs of cleaning, corrosion, or damage can significantly reduce the coin's value. Today, the 1894 Indian head penny remains a popular and historically rich collectible. It appeals to both beginner and advanced numismatists due to its classic design, reasonable availability, and strong connection to late 19th century American history. Whether found in a circulated grade or preserved in mint condition, this coin represents an important chapter in U.S. coinage and continues to hold steady demand in the collector market.